Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find LCM of two numbers using recursion. So let's start this with the program. This line defines a function called find LCM that takes two arguments a and b, which are the two numbers whose LCM we want to calculate. Now in the next line, the function is nested within find LCM, which means it is defined and used only inside find LCM. It is used to compute the greatest common divisor of A and B using recursion. Now in the next line, base case, if B becomes 0, the function returns A. Since the GCD of any number A is 0 is a GCD. Now in the recursive case, if B is not is equals to 0, the function calls itself recursively with B and the remainder of A and B. This continues until B becomes 0, at which point the function will return the GCD. The Euclidean algorithm is used to find the GCD, which is an efficient way to compute the GCD of two numbers. Now in the next line, this line calculates the LCM using the formula that LCM of two numbers A and B is equals to A multiplied by B divided by the product of A and B to the product of greatest common divisor. Now here absolute A into B, this ensures the product of A and B is positive. And find GCD, this calls the nested function to compute the GCD of A and B. The LCM is then calculated by dividing the absolute product of A and B by their greatest common divisor. Now in the next line here, this line prompts the user to enter two integers num1 and num2. The input function reads the user input as string, and here int converts the string to an integer. These integers are stored in the variables num1 and num2. Now in the next line, this line calls the find LCM function with the value of num1 and num2 as arguments. The result of LCM of num1 and num2 is stored in the variable LCM. Now the last line prints the result to the console in a formatted string, as the num1 and num2 and LCM are placeholders that are replaced with the actual values of numbers and the LCM. So let's check this program. Enter the first number as 40 and the second number as 60. Hence the LCM of 40 and 60 is 120. So thanks for watching this video.